The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued this is a test message. Tornado warning for all of West Virginia until 10:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a test message. This is a practice tornado warning issued to initiate the West Virginia statewide tornado drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. The National Weather Service and the West Virginia Emergency Management Division encourage the use of this time to either activate or review your severe weather safety plan. This is a test message. Locations include all cities and counties in West Virginia. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia: Barber, Boone, Braxton, Cabell, Calhoun, Clay, Doddridge, Fayette, Gilmer, Harrison, Jackson, Kanawha, Lewis, Lincoln, Logan, Mason, McDowell, Mingo, Nicholas, Pleasants, Pocahontas, Putnam, Raleigh, Randolph, Ritchie, Roane, Taylor, Tyler, Upshur, Wayne, Webster, Wood, and Wyoming.